make this macrame mirror, you will need 4mm macrame cord, a wire wreath form from Dollar Tree, a 10-inch mirror, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Start by cutting 7 40-inch strands of macrame cord. You will attach the cords to the wreath form by making a lark's head knot. Do this by folding the strand in half, putting the loop through the inmost string, and pulling the ends through. Do this for all 7 strands, and make sure to pull tight. Use the third cord from the left as your stationary cord. Bring it over the cord to the right of it, and make a double half-hitch knot going to the right. Do this by creating a 4 and pulling the string through the loop and pull tight. Do this twice to make the double half-hitch knot. Next, find the 6th cord from the left and use it as your stationary cord. Bring it over the cord to the left of it and make a double half-hitch knot now going to the left. Do this by creating a backwards 4 with the right cord over the stationary cord and pulling the string through the loop. Do this twice to make a double half-hitch knot. Find the middle cords of where the 2 knots meet and make a double half-hitch knot going to the right. After this, you should start to see a V forming.
I'm not a player, I don't mess around.
Now we're going to mirror the same pattern on the other side. Use the 3rd cord from the right as a stationary cord. Bring it over the cord to the left of it and make a double half-hitch knot going to the left.
You sit on my side, kinda like you smile.
Next, find the 6th cord from the right and use it as your stationary cord. Bring it over the cord to the right of it and make a double half-hitch knot going to the right.
Do you drink tea? Can you stay a while? Someone told me that you're kinda sweet.
Find where the 2 middle cords meet, use the right as your stationary cord, and make a double half-hitch knot going to the left.
I'm not a sucker for that kind of thing.
Next, use the 1st cord from the left as a stationary cord and make double half-hitch knots all the way down until you reach the middle. So that's going to be on that 1st string, as well as the 2nd string and the 3rd string. You're going to create 6 knots total.
But when you order lemon ginger tea, that was a moment that changed everything.
Now find the 7th cord from the left and use it as a stationary cord and make double half-hitch knots until you reach the middle again.
I got a feeling you made me and you and me. I got
Combine those 2 middle cords by making a double half-hitch knot going to the left. Again, we're going to mirror the same process on the other side. So using that 1st string on the right and making double half-hitch knots to reach the middle.
1, 2, 3. Girls like flowers, clever poetry. Music little adage doesn't work on me. But
Use the 7th cord from the right as your stationary cord and make more double half-hitch knots until you reach the middle.
boy, you had me at philosophy. Music I gotta
Combine those 2 middle cords by making a double half-hitch knot going to the left.
I got a feeling you made me and you and me. I gotta music bed. I gotta.
Now for the center section. Take the 2nd cord on the left from the middle and make a double half-hitch knot going to the right. Repeat this with the cord to the right of it with a double half-hitch knot going to the left. You will start to see a V forming. With those 2 middle cords, make a double half-hitch knot going to the right.
Won't you be my baby and stay with me?
one more row of a V using the next available cord on the left side as a stationary cord. Complete the other half of the V by working on the cords on the right side. Where those two middle cords meet, make a double half-hitch knot going to the left. Here is one complete set. Now make a second set and we will connect the two. Find the middle cords where they meet and make 3 rows of a V.
I'm not a player, I don't mess around.
The first connecting double half hitch will go to the right.
Music bed.
Do you drink tea? Can you stay a while?
Here I am starting the second V.
I'm not a sucker for that kind of thing. But when you order lemon ginger tea, that was a moment that changed everything.
The second connecting double half hitch will go to the left.
Music bed.
I gotta feel
Here I am starting the third and final V.
I gotta girls like flowers, clever poetry.
Music bed.
That old adage doesn't work on me.
And the last connecting double half hitch will go to the right. Continue this pattern all around the wreath form until you fill it all up. Next, trim the cords so they're all even. I like to do it a few inches from the outermost ring. Keep these strands because we will be using them again. Next, brush out the strands to create some fringe.
Music bed.
Flip your design up and find the second inmost ring. Cut 9-inch strands and attach them to this ring all the way around by using a lark's head knot. Brush out the strands again to make the fringe and cut any uneven strands to make everything even.
Music bed.
Brush through one more time to blend the first layer and the second layer. Next, we're going to attach the craft mirror using a hot glue gun. Gently raise the sides and add hot glue where needed, and then flip over and add hot glue again.
I gotta
And here you have your finished mirror.